How to set who can watch your reels. First of all, open your Instagram account. Now go to your profile section, and the first step that you're gonna do is change your account from public to private. In that way, no one in the world will be able to see. Only the followers that have followed you will be able to see the content that you share. So go to account privacy and simply make sure that this button is turned on and not set to public. So simply tap on this and your account will be switched to private. Then head back. If you want to hide a particular person, then scroll down and go to the restricted option and simply search for the follower that you want to restrict, and that follower will not be able to see any of your contents, including stories, posts and reels. You can easily type their name, and if they are in your following list, then simply restrict them, and after that close this. And that's it, guys. This way you can easily limit your audience. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you find it useful.